I interviewed President Correa on Thursday in the Ecuadorian mission here in New York. It was before the coup in Honduras. I began by asking him to comment on the absence of so many heads of state at the UN conference. According to press reports, Western diplomats said the conference was just a platform to attack capitalism.
Bueno, si esto es un ataque al capitalismo, creo que se lo tiene merecido, ¿no?
Well, if this is an attack on capitalism, I think it's well deserved.
Mira el problema en que nos tiene metido.
Look at the problem it's got us into.
Así que no entiendo la gente que no acude porque puede derivar en un ataque al
I don't
capitalismo.
understand those who say they're not here because it might descend into an attack on
Deben
capitalism.
tener un sesgo ideológico muy fuerte
They must have a strong ideological bias
porque probablemente se pensaban que iba a ser un ataque al socialismo.
because certainly they thought maybe there'd be an attack on socialism.
Muchos hubieran venido encantados.
Or had they thought it was going to be an attack on socialism, they would have been delighted to have come.
Talk about why you think at this point capitalism should be criticized, what you think needs to happen now.
Bueno, lo que hemos vivido en las últimas décadas
Well,
en el mundo entero ha sido una locura total.
What we've undergone in recent decades worldwide has been totally insane.
Todo ha estado en función del capitalismo.
And all of this in function of capitalism.
Vaya a ver lo que se hizo en América Latina con
If
la
you
fuerza laboral.
Look at what was done with the workforce in Latin America.
Se la trató como un vulgar instrumento de acumulación
It
del
was
capital.
treated as a vulgar instrument for capital
Y
accumulation.
se impusieron mecanismos de explotación como tercerización,
Mechanisms
intermediación laboral,
of
etc.
exploitation were imposed, such as outsourcing, labor intermediation, and the like.
Se trataron de destruir los estados nacionales,
Efforts were made to destroy nation states,
o al menos minimizar los estados
or at
nacionales,
least to minimize nation states,
sobre todo en roles claves como el económico,
especially in key areas such as the economy.
bajo el fundamento más cercano a la religión que a la ciencia, de que todo lo resolvía el mercado.
Grounds that were closer to religion than to science, that everything would be resolved by the marketplace.
Podría extenderme mucho más en esto,
I could speak at much greater length on this,
pero los resultados están ahí.
but the results are plain to see.
Mayor desigualdad en América Latina,
Greater inequality in Latin
no hemos
America.
resuelto el problema del desempleo.
We haven't resolved the unemployment problem.
De hecho, el desempleo es más alto que en décadas anteriores.
Indeed, unemployment is higher than in previous decades.
No hemos resuelto el problema de la pobreza.
We haven't resolved the problem of poverty.
Hemos perdido mucha soberanía al aplicar
We've
políticas que
lost
no respondían a nuestras realidades.
A great deal of sovereignty by implementing policies that didn't answer to our national
Y
realities.
finalmente nos enfrentamos a una crisis que no hemos provocado nosotros,
we're
pero
facing a
de la cual
crisis
somos
that
sus principales víctimas.
We have not provoked, yet we are the main victims.
La mayor crisis de los años 30 del siglo pasado, del capitalismo global.
The greatest crisis since 1930s, of the last century,
Pero
where
que no
there
es
was a
generada por
crisis
factores externos al
in
sistema,
global capitalism.
sino
But
por la
it's
esencia misma del sistema.
not been generated by factors external to the system, but by factors that are of the very essence of the system.
Exacerbar el individualismo,
Exacerbated
la
individualism,
desregulación,
deregulation,
la competencia, etc.
competition,
Eso
and
nos
so
muestra
on.
claramente que algo tiene que cambiar.
This clearly shows us that something has to change.
Ecuador is joining ALBA, the Bolivarian Alliance, seen as an alternative to the whole push to expand NAFTA to Latin America. Why? Talk about what you're doing now.
Why not? ¿Por qué no? Es decir,
Why not?
somos países amigos,
We are friendly
hermanos,
countries,
coincidimos en muchas
sister
visiones.
countries. We coincide on many points of
¿Por
view.
qué no acceder a ese espacio de integración?
So why not take that step towards integration,
Que entre otras cosas avanza mucho más rápido que otros espacios de integración.
in which, among other things, is moving forward much more quickly than other integration
Que
schemes.
cometieron el error de querer incluir a todos.
They that had made the mistake of wanting to include everyone.
Entonces vamos al ritmo de los que no quieren la integración.
So we are moving at the pace of those who don't want integration.
Los que voluntariamente nos adherimos al ALBA queremos la integración de los
Those
pueblos
of us
latinoamericanos.
who have acceded to ALBA voluntarily want to see the integration of Latin
Y se ha
American
avanzado
peoples.
mucho más rápido que en otros espacios de integración.
And it's gone forward much more quickly than other integration
En
arrangements.
todo caso, le he dicho, why not? ¿Por qué no unirnos al ALBA?
In any event, my answer is why not? Why not join ALBA?
Ahora le voy a decir por qué sí. Solo
Now, I'll tell you why.
un dato para que vea.
Just one piece
En
of
estos momentos
information
en el ALBA
to
tenemos el
illustrate.
30% de los votos de la Organización de Estados Americanos.
At this time in the ALBA, we have 30% of all the votes in the Organization of American States.
Entonces ya tenemos un peso específico,
So
una
we
voz muy contundente
Now have very specific weight
para proponer otros puntos de
that,
vista.
in order
Por
to
ejemplo, solo por decirles
propose
la
other,
Organización de Estados Americanos.
points of view. For
Pero
example,
lo mismo podemos
the
hablar de Naciones
Organization of
Unidas,
American
etc.
States. That's just
Solo
to
eso
mention the
justificaría el
Organization
ingreso
of
al
American
ALBA.
States. But we could say something
Pero hay
similar
muchas
about the
cosas
United
adicionales.
Nations. That alone would justify our entering ALBA, but there are many additional factors.
You are not talking about a free trade agreement with the United States, but you are with the European Union. Why?
No,
¿no?
Nosotros no estamos conversando de un free trade agreement con la Unión Europea.
No, we're not talking about a free trade agreement with the European Union.
Estamos hablando de un comercio justo para el desarrollo.
We're talking about fair trade for development.
Así fue planteado inicialmente el acuerdo.
That's how the agreement was originally posed.
Primero un acuerdo de bloque a bloque, Unión Europea, Comunidad Andina.
First, a block-to-block agreement between the European Union and the Andean community.
Con 3 pilares:
with 3 pillars:
diálogo político,
a political dialogue,
cooperación y comercio.
cooperation, and trade.
Y este último, comercio,
And this
entendido como
last
comercio
one,
para el desarrollo.
trade is understood as trade for development.
Lastimosamente todo eso se fue deteriorando,
Unfortunately, all of that has been deteriorating,
entre otras cosas porque 2 países de la Comunidad
among
Andina
other reasons, because 2 of the Andean community countries
ya tienen un tratado de libre comercio con Estados Unidos.
already have a free trade agreement with the United States.
Me refiero a Colombia y Perú.
And I'm referring to Colombia and Peru.
Y tienen muy poco que perder en la negociación con Unión Europea.
And they have very little to lose in the negotiations with the European Union.
Entonces lo primero que se desmoronó fue la negociación de bloque a bloque.
So the first thing that collapsed was the block-to-block negotiation.
Y luego es claro que el énfasis se centró en el aspecto comercial.
And it's clear that the emphasis was focused on the trade aspect.
Y tengo que reconocerlo, también desde la Unión Europea
And
se lo trató de enfocar como un tratado de libre comercio.
Should also recognize that from the European Union, they tried to approach it as a free trade agreement,
Eso siempre ha sido rechazado por Ecuador.
which has always been rejected by Ecuador.
Nos interesan las 3 dimensiones del acuerdo:
We're interested in all 3 dimensions of the agreement:
diálogo político,
political dialogue,
cooperación y comercio.
cooperation, and trade.
Y dentro del aspecto comercial,
And
un comercio
within
justo.
trade, we're talking about fair trade,
No esto que creemos que es un simplismo de el libre comercio, liberalizar todo.
not the idea of free trade, which we see as simplistic, liberalizing everything.
Y estamos negociando duramente con la Unión Europea
And
aquello.
we're engaged in tough negotiations with the European Union on
Y en
this.
caso de que no nos satisfaga los acuerdos llegados,
Now,
sencillamente no firmaremos el
In the
acuerdo.
event that we're not satisfied with the agreements that result, then we simply won't sign.
Pero le insisto, no estamos negociando un tratado de libre comercio con la Unión Europea.
But I reiterate, we're not negotiating a free trade agreement with the European Union.
The U.S. contract with Ecuador over one of the largest U.S. military bases in Latin America, Manta, expires later this year. You will not renew it. Why?
Porque sí.
Why renew it?
Mire, si quiere, yo lo renuevo con una condición:
Now, if you'd like, I would renew it with one condition,
que me permitan poner una base militar ecuatoriana aquí en Nueva York.
that they allow me to set up an Ecuadorian military base here in New York.
Si no hay ningún problema en tener bases extranjeras,
If there's
entonces
no
vamos a llegar a un
problem
acuerdo, ¿verdad?
with foreign bases, then let's reach an agreement on that.
Creo que a todos los que nos escuchan eso les parecerá imposible.
I think that everybody listening is going to find that impossible.
Bueno, a los ecuatorianos también nos parece imposible,
And for us Ecuadorians, it
de
also
nuestra
seems
visión de soberanía,
impossible,
al menos con el
based
actual gobierno,
on our outlook informed by sovereignty, at least with the current government,
tener una base extranjera en el suelo patrio.
to have a foreign military base on our soil.
You also recently threw out U.S. diplomat Armando Astorga, calling him insolent and foolish and saying he treated Ecuador like a colony.
Sí. No sé si ustedes conocen
Yes, I don't know if you're
que,
aware that,
entre otras cosas, por el desmantelamiento del
among
Estado,
other things, because of the dismantling of the
que
state
Ecuador ha sufrido en los últimos años,
that Ecuador has suffered in recent years,
el dinero para que funcionen ciertas unidades de
the
policía
money for certain police units to
e
operate,
incluso ciertas unidades de inteligencia,
including certain intelligence
tanto
units,
policiales cuanto militares,
police and military,
era dado por la Embajada de Estados Unidos.
was provided by the U.S. Embassy.
Esto ya es suficientemente grave,
Well, this itself is sufficiently serious,
pero ni siquiera era una ayuda incondicional, espontánea,
it wasn't even unconditional or spontaneous assistance.
sino que ellos escogían
Rather, they
los directores de esas unidades
would
policiales.
choose the directors of those police units.
Le hacían pasar detectores de mentira en la propia Embajada de Estados
They
Unidos.
had them take lie detector tests at the U.S.
Y
Embassy.
resulta que esas unidades respondían más a la Embajada de Estados Unidos
So
que al Estado
those
ecuatoriano.
units answered more to the U.S. Embassy than to the Ecuadorian state.
Y el momento en que soberanamente quisimos cambiar
And
al
once
director
we, in the exercise of our sovereignty, wanted
de
to
una de esas unidades,
change the director of one of
el
those
señor
units,
Astorga, con total prepotencia,
Mr. Astorga, in a totally arrogant
manda
manner,
una carta diciendo que tenemos que devolver
a
todo
letter
lo que nos ha dado Estados Unidos.
saying that we need to return or give back
Computadoras,
everything that
carros,
the United
etc.
States has given us, computers, automobiles, and so on.
Bueno, que se lleven todo,
Well, they should take it all back
pero
then.
también se va el señor Astorga del país porque nosotros no somos colonia de nadie.
But Mr. Astorga would also have to leave the country because we are no one's colony.
Mr. President, do you think President Obama represents something different to Latin America and specifically to Ecuador?
Sí, yo estoy convencido de eso.
Yes, I'm convinced that that is the case.
De hecho, ya hemos empezado diálogos bilaterales muy fructíferos,
Indeed, we've already begun very fruitful bilateral dialogues,
a muy alto nivel, lo cual nunca se había dado con la administración Bush.
a very high level, which never happened with the Bush administration.
Y no solo eso, es
And
ya
not just that.
es la construcción de confianza.
There's a question of building trust.
Y creo que el presidente Obama brinda confianza.
And I think that President Obama offers trust.
En lo personal creo que es una persona transparente y
Personally,
con recta intención.
I think he is a transparent individual with the right intentions.
Entonces creo que sí, las cosas van a cambiar en cuanto a política
So
exterior
I think things are going to change in terms of foreign policy,
de Estados Unidos, sobre todo con respecto a América Latina.
U.S. foreign policy, especially with respect to Latin America.
Let me ask you about President Chavez and his comments recently supporting the Iranian president, Ahmadinejad. What are your views toward what's happening right now in the disputed Iranian elections?
Bueno, hemos hablado con nuestro encargado de negocios
We've
de
spoken
Irán,
with our charge d'affaires in Tehran.
y él me dice realmente que es
And
una reacción
He tells
absolutamente
me
exagerada,
that it's an exaggerated reaction
porque la victoria del presidente Ahmadinejad es demasiado amplia.
President Ahmadinejad won by too large a margin.
Estamos hablando de al menos 6 millones de votos.
We're talking about at least 6 million votes.
Todas las encuestas lo dan como vencedor.
All the surveys show that he was the winner.
Entonces no se explica esta reacción de la oposición.
So this reaction on the part of the opposition can't be
No
explained.
quiero inmiscuirme en asuntos internos
Now,
iraníes,
I don't want to meddle in internal Iranian affairs,
pero realmente resulta sospechosa una reacción de esta índole frente a una tan amplia victoria.
response of this sort vis-a-vis such a broad victory is somewhat suspect.
En todo caso, tengo entendido que el Consejo de Guardianes ha ordenado recontar los votos, etc.
In any event, it's my understanding that the guard has ordered that the Council of Guard has ordered that the vote be recounted and so on.
Ojalá las cosas se resuelvan pacíficamente
I would hope that things could be worked out
y se
peacefully
determine quién fue el ganador
and that a
de la contienda
determination
electoral. Pero
is
le
reached
insisto,
as to who won that electoral contest.
los informes que tenemos de Teherán
But I
es que la
reiterate,
victoria del
the
presidente
reports that
Ahmadinejad
we are
es
getting from
extremadamente
Tehran
amplia.
is that President
Que no hay por dónde
Ahmadinejad's
perderse, por dónde
victory
hablar de
is
fraude.
too broad, and therefore there's no way to imagine that he could have lost or that he would have won by fraud.
And the killings of a number of the protesters, do you condemn that?
Bueno, habría que ver en qué situación se dieron esas muertes.
Well, one would have to see in
O
what
sea, ha habido,
situation those
estamos hablando de un
deaths
país de
took
80
place.
millones de
We're
habitantes
talking
donde ha
about
habido
a country of
graves
80
procesos,
million
protestas callejeras.
in which there have been serious street protests.
Desconozco las condiciones
I am not familiar
precisas
with
en
the
que han sucedido
specific
esas lamentables muertes que todo el mundo
conditions in which
debe
the
lamentar y
lamentable
solidarizarse
deaths
con
have
las
taken
víctimas y sus
place.
familiares.
Everybody should lament their deaths and be in solidarity with the
Pero
victims
obviamente, o
and
sea,
their
si hay
families.
protestas, hay violencia en un
But
país de
obviously,
80 millones
if there's protests
de
and
habitantes,
violence in a country of 80 million,
es probable que pueda ocurrir estos acontecimientos
it's likely that such things can come to pass,
sin que eso necesariamente implique
Without that
represión,
necessarily
atentado a derechos humanos, etc.
meaning repression,
Pero que se
violations
investigue
of
todo lo
human
que haya que
rights,
investigar.
and so forth. But all the investigations should be undertaken to determine.
Let me ask you, Mr. President, about another violent crackdown, and it was in Peru against the those in the Amazon who were protesting the opening up of the area to mining interests that has ultimately led to the resignation of the prime minister. Do you condemn President Garcia for what happened in Peru?
Mire, le insisto, o sea, nosotros no vamos a mezclarnos en asuntos internos de ningún país.
We're not going to meddle in the internal matters
Eso
of
se tendrá
any
que resolver
country.
dentro de la institucionalidad de Perú
That will have to be worked out within
y
Peru's
establecer las
institutional
responsabilidades
framework, determining
que el caso amerite.
the responsibilities that lie in this matter.
Now, you know exploitation by large corporations in your own country. Tens of thousands of indigenous people have brought suit against Chevron, now Chevron Texaco. An expert appointed by the Ecuadorian judge has said that Chevron should pay $27 billion. Where do you stand on this?
Ese es un litigio privado
This is a private litigation
de organizaciones sociales de la Amazonía
brought by social organizations
contra
in the
esta
Amazon
transnacional
region
Texaco Chevron.
against this transnational corporation,
Ahí el
Texaco,
gobierno ecuatoriano
Chevron, and there
no tiene nada que
the
hacer
Ecuadorian government has nothing to
a
do.
nivel judicial.
Judicially speaking,
Obviamente somos testigos
Obviously,
de
we
los
have
daños en Amazonía
borne witness to the harm caused in
y
the
nos
Amazon,
solidarizamos con esas organizaciones
and
sociales.
we're in solidarity with those social organizations.
Pero insisto, como gobierno no somos
But I
parte
reiterate, as the
y
executive
tampoco podemos
branch,
inmiscuirnos
we are not a party
en el
and
proceso
we
judicial.
cannot meddle in judicial matters.
You have gone to the area, though, and shown support. What is the harm done?
Terrible.
It's terrible.
Las compañías petroleras todavía siguen haciendo lo que quieren.
The oil companies continue doing
Pero en esa
whatever
época
they please.
realmente era la ley de la selva.
At that time it was
No había
really
procesamiento
the law of the
de
jungle.
residuos, de
no
aguas
processing
contaminadas,
of
todo se
waste,
botaba a los
of
ríos,
contaminated water,
se hacían
everything
lagunas
was
totalmente
dumped.
antitécnicas.
In the rivers there were pits created that were
Usted puede
totally
ir a la Amazonía ecuatoriana
non-technical. If you go into
y de
the
repente
Ecuadorian
enterrar la mano
Amazon and you
en
stick
un
your
terreno
hand in the
y la saca
ground,
llena de petróleo.
and you
Dejaban botado el petróleo ahí
what you get
con
is
total impunidad.
oil sludge. They
Porque
dumped
no había
the oil
control del
wherever
Estado,
with total impunity
y
because
estas
there was
compañías
no
claramente
oversight
abusaron
by the
del
state.
país.
And these countries really did abuse
Estas
the
compañías han
country.
hecho en nuestro país algo que nunca se hubieran atrevido a hacer, ni de lejos, en los
These
Estados Unidos.
countries have done in our country something they never would have dared to have done, even by far, in the United States.
Y ya es hora que respondan frente a la justicia.
And it is time that they answer to the justice system.
Have you heard about Shell settling with the Sarawiwa family, the Nigerian activist who was killed in Nigeria 14 years ago? He was protesting Shell's exploitation of the Niger Delta. And they just settled for something like $15 million to be paid to the family and the Ogoni people. Do you see that as a positive example?
Pero por supuesto, no conozco el caso.
Well, of course, I'm not familiar with the case, but of course.
Que ya estas empresas rindan cuenta, se responsabilicen de todo lo que hicieron.
These countries need to be held accountable for and answer for everything they've
indigna como latinoamericano la doble moral de ciertas transnacionales.
Because I'm indignant as Latin American about the dual
No es
morality
que no
of
podían
certain
hacer de otra manera.
transnationals. It's not that they couldn't have done it otherwise.
Había la tecnología,
The
había las
technology
medidas para
existed,
prevenir daños
the
ambientales,
measures
etc.
were available to
No lo
prevent
quisieron
environmental harm and so forth, but they
Porque
didn't
éramos
want to do
países
so.
pobres, probablemente nos consideran inferiores.
Because we're poor countries, so they consider that we're
Pero lo que
inferior.
hicieron en nuestros países,
But
jamás se hubieran atrevido a hacerlo en Estados Unidos.
Did in our country, they never would have dared to have done that in the United States.
Now, indigenous people, campesinos, recently protested your policies around the issue of large-scale mining and opening up the region. You called them extremists and nobodies.
Bueno, nobodies no. Lo que he dicho es que no representan a nadie. Creo que las últimas elecciones me dieron la razón. La candidata que enarboló la bandera antiminera sacó menos del 4% de los votos. Esa era la realidad. Nosotros ganamos y abrumadoramente prácticamente en todas las zonas mineras.
4%, and we won overwhelmingly so in all the mining regions.
En las zonas de mayores protestas, que es la provincia de La Suay, Cantón Girón, etcétera, es donde más apoyo tenemos.
That's where we have the strongest support.
Claramente la población confía en nosotros.
So clearly the population trusts
Pero basta 3 o 4 personas para hacer mucho ruido y que le saquen los medios de comunicación.
3 or 4 people are enough to make a lot of noise, to appear in
Pero
the media,
sinceramente
and so
digo, no tienen el respaldo popular ni la representación.
Quite sincerely, they don't have the popular backing or the representation.
En todo caso,
in any event,
en estas posturas hay muchísimas contradicciones.
There are many contradictions on these kinds of positions.
Primero, nosotros no es que estamos inaugurando la minería en Ecuador.
First, it's not that we're inaugurating mining in Ecuador.
La minería existe en Ecuador desde la época preincásica.
Mining goes back to the pre-classic Inca period in
Por el
Ecuador.
contrario, finalmente estamos regulando la minería en Ecuador.
To the contrary, finally we're regulating mining in Ecuador.
Porque era una anarquía total.
Because it was a matter of total anarchy.
Con una ley muy dura.
With a very tough law.
Que protege al Estado,
that protects
protege el ambiente,
the state, that protects the
protege a la sociedad.
That protects society.
Segundo, una de las mayores críticas de los grupos que se oponen a la minería, como usted ha mencionado, minería a gran escala,
of the groups that oppose mining, or as you put
el
it,
impacto ambiental de la minería.
Is the environmental impact of
mining. Pero aquí viene la contradicción.
But this is where the contradiction
Mucho más contaminante la pequeña minería que la gran minería.
Mining causes much more pollution.
Así que si ese es el motivo por el cual se oponen a la minería a gran escala, ahí hay una gran contradicción.
There's a big contradiction there.
Y si usted empieza a analizar a algunos de estos dirigentes, no todos, pero algunos, que tienen interés en la pequeña minería.
Have their own interests in
Entonces,
small
yo
scale
diría,
mining.
en general, hemos hecho encuestas incluso,
so I would say in general,
existía un apoyo de más del 70% en la nueva ley de minería.
Surveys, there's more than 70%
Pero les insisto,
for the new mining law.
Es suficiente 3 o 4 fundamentalistas que cierren una carretera para que salga en el periódico y se diga hay oposición a la minería en Ecuador.
Enough to appear in the newspaper and to say, for them to say there's opposition to such mining in Ecuador.
President Correa, in the Wall Street Journal, there was just a piece talking about documents that the Colombian government uncovered on a laptop when Colombia raided Ecuador and killed a FARC leader, linking you to the FARC. What is your response?
Que si ellos demuestran que yo tengo alguna relación con la FARC, renuncio al cargo.
If they show that I have some connection to the FARC, then I'll step down.
Es una gran mentira. Hemos presentado
It's a big lie.
la denuncia por medio de Cancillería y si no rectifican, empezaremos las acciones legales pertinentes.
Through the Foreign Ministry, and if they don't rectify that, we will take the appropriate legal actions.
Ya estamos cansados de estas infamias.
We are tired of such infamies.
Que no se basan en hechos.
Which are not based on facts.
Se basan en intereses.
They're based on
que pretenden poner
interests
a ciertos gobiernos aliados como superhéroes y a ciertos gobiernos que somos independientes como villanos.
Treat certain governments which are their allies as superheroes and other governments as villains.
Entonces creemos que un diario debe informar, no jugar a la geopolítica.
So we think that a daily newspaper should report the news, not play at geopolitics.
En todo caso, el editorial, porque parece que era un editorial,
in any event, the editorial, I think it was an editorial,
se basa en información más que superada.
Is based on information that long ago was shown to be unreliable.
Computadoras
supposed
con supuestos mensajes
with supposed messages
en que supuestamente se habla de un ex miembro del gobierno nacional, no del presidente de la República, negociando con la FARC.
The president of the Republic negotiating with the FARC.
Incluso esas computadoras
Indeed,
también hablan del partido, supuestamente hablan del Partido Trabajador de Lula da Silva, vinculado con la FARC. Pero eso no dicen. Entonces, es tan solo, le insisto, o sea, el juego geopolítico que quieren hacer.
Really just a geopolitical game that
y la señora que escribió el artículo acaba de admitir a RCN que ella sacó este artículo resentida con el presidente Obama.
She published that article resenting President Obama.
Porque por mi reelección me llamó a darme el respaldo.
He called me to offer his support upon my reelection.
Es una periodista de extrema derecha que enojada porque Obama no llama a Álvaro Uribe, sino que llamó a Rafael Correa. Saca este artículo. Ese es el nivel de profesionalismo de la persona que escribió eso.
That reflects the level of professionalism of the person who wrote that.
How do you think peace can be achieved in Colombia? And do you think the U.S. can play a role in that? I mean, the U.S. has poured a tremendous amount of money into the war on terror there, into the war on drugs, so-called. What do you think could achieve peace in Colombia?
Einstein decía, si alguien una y otra vez hace algo
time and again does something or tries to do something
con los mismos resultados negativos e insiste en seguirlo haciendo de la misma manera,
continues to insist on doing so, then is un toro?
Tonto.
Un tonto. Then he's a fool.
La estrategia aplicada por Estados Unidos en Colombia ha sido un completo fracaso.
Strategy carried out, applied by the United States in Colombia has been a total
no se ha logrado la erradicación de la droga.
Drugs have not been eradicated.
Puede ser que las FARC estén debilitadas,
It could be that the FARC have been weakened,
pero sinceramente creo que no hay solución militar al conflicto con las FARC,
quite sincerely, I don't think there's any military solution
sino
to the
una
conflict
solución
with the FARC,
política.
but rather a political solution.
Y lo que están logrando, buscando una solución militar,
What they have accomplished in pursuing a military
es extendiendo el conflicto a los países vecinos y desestabilizando la región.
Extending the conflict to neighboring countries and destabilizing the region.
Ecuador tiene como 700 kilómetros de frontera con Colombia.
Ecuador has about 700 kilometers of border with Colombia.
Gran parte de ella es selva impenetrable.
And a lot of it is impenetrable jungle.
La estrategia de Colombia es atacar a la FARC de norte a sur.
Colombia's strategy has been to attack the FARC from north to south.
Tiene 2 destacamentos militares en la frontera sur y alejados de la frontera.
Military units in the south, but far from the border.
Nosotros ya tenemos 13.
We have 13.
Pero esa es la estrategia para involucrarnos en el conflicto.
So it seems to be a strategy to try to draw us into the conflict.
Entonces, ojalá que Estados Unidos y la administración Obama entienda eso.
The United States and the Obama administration understand
que se nos quiere involucrar a los países vecinos en ese conflicto que no es nuestro, que nos duele mucho, porque no es nuestro.
Drawing us neighboring countries into this conflict which is not our own, which pains us greatly, but it's not ours.
Y que analicen detenidamente el asunto, si la estrategia antidrogas, pese a los millones gastados, ha dado resultados.
Anti-drug strategy, despite the billions spent, has yielded no results.
Y si el conflicto con la FARC tiene una solución militar.
And whether this conflict with the FARC has any military solution.
Last 2 questions. One is, do you support President Obama expanding the war into Afghanistan and Pakistan?
Could you say again, please?
Do you support President Obama expanding the war in Afghanistan and Pakistan?
Vea, yo soy pacifista por naturaleza.
Well, I'm a pacifist by nature.
Ojalá el problema de Afganistán se resuelva lo más rápidamente posible.
Afghanistan problem could be resolved as quickly as possible.
Creo también que la estrategia ahí, como en Irak, fue totalmente equivocada.
I also think the strategy there, as in Iraq, was totally mistaken.
Que Estados Unidos tiene un gran problema entre sus manos.
That the United States has a big problem
que va a ser muy complejo de resolver.
That's going to be very complex to resolve.
Estoy casi convencido que no se va a resolver con más guerra.
But I'm practically convinced that it's not going to be resolved by more war.
And finally, your overall advice to the new president of the United States, President Obama, and how he approaches Latin America and just overall how he approaches the world.
Vea, no acostumbro darles consejos a quien no me lo ha pedido.
Well, I'm not accustomed to giving advice to those who haven't asked for it.
Solo desearle al presidente Obama la mejor de la suerte.
I would just want to wish President Obama the best of luck.
Y que tenga presente
and that he should bear in mind
que así como él es buena persona,
that just as he is a good person,
hay muchos presidentes de América Latina que también somos buenas personas.
There are many of us presidents in Latin America who are also good people.
And is there one single message you could give to President Obama to improve relations with Latin America, what he could do?
Que conozca y entienda un poco mejor la región.
To learn more and come to better understand the
que
region.
No se deje llevar por el poder de ciertos medios comprometidos.
And that he not let himself be taken along by the power
de ciertos fundamentalismos ideológicos.
Media outlets that are compromised with certain ideological fundaments.
Que los héroes no son necesariamente héroes.
And that the heroes aren't necessarily heroes.
Y los villanos no son necesariamente villanos.
And the villains aren't necessarily villains.
Que conozca y entienda un poco mejor la región.
He should get to know the region better and get to understand the region a little better.
President Correa, thank you very much.